Hello and welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. Today I'll be discussing a complementary AI tool capable of generating video, AI text dubbing, and copywriting. Presently, this AI tool is available at free. I don't know how long it will stay that way. So let's get started. To use this AI tool for free, go to the Creato AI website. You can find link in the description of this video. Register with your email address or Gmail. After finishing registration, go to the AI tool page. Currently, you can use their AI video generator, including avatars, AI copywriting tool, and AI text dubbing or text-to-speech. They also have an AI tool for creating customizable AI avatars, but it's not available yet. First, let's try their AI video and avatar generator. Go to the AI tool dashboard and select the Digital Human Video Creation menu. Select your language voice. You can choose any language you want. Next, you can use their AI copywriting for generating text content for your video. In this example, I will use my own text. After that, click the audition button to listen to the audio results if you want.
Welcome to our AI Girl YouTube channel, where you'll witness the captivating world of our virtual companion. Join us for entertaining conversations, fascinating experiences, and endless AI-powered adventures.
If you're satisfied with the voice, you can continue to select your AI avatar model. They have many different models, and some of these characters need paid version. Select your preferred model and click the Generate Video button to start rendering your video. Here is the resulting video.
Welcome to our AI Girl YouTube channel, where you'll witness the captivating world of our virtual companion. Join us for entertaining conversations, fascinating experiences, and endless AI-powered adventures.
You can download video subtitle and audio for free. Now let's try their free AI copywriting tool from the AI tool homepage. Click the AI marketing copy generation menu. Enter your target keyword and explain what you want to create in the text description section. The Generate Copy button to start generating your marketing content. Select the best result and click the Copy button to copy the result. Now let's try their free text-to-speech AI from the AI tool homepage. Click the AI text dubbing, select your language character tone, and paste your text into the text content section. Click the audition button to listen to your audio preview.
Introducing our latest service, social media post designing. Stand out in the crowded online space with our expertly crafted posts that are sure to catch the eye of your audience.
After you're satisfied with the result, click the Confirm button and download your audio file. Here is some example of my AI video generations.
Welcome to our fabulous world of fashion. It's time to unleash your inner style diva and get ready to dive into the latest trends, tips, and tricks that will make you stand out from the crowd. This is the ultimate destination for all things fashion, where we'll be your personal style guides, inspiring you to embrace your unique beauty and express yourself through the art of fashion.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a world of limitless creativity and artistic expression. Prepare to be immersed in an unparalleled cinematic experience. This is not just any video, this is a transformative journey into the realm of professional video production.
Welcome BACK to my channel to an enchanting exploration of Korean culture. Today, we invite you to immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of traditions, artistry, and vibrant heritage that define the captivating world of Korea. It is a harmonious blend of ancient customs and contemporary flair where timeless traditions seamlessly coexist with modern innovations.
Welcome, dear viewers, to a fascinating glimpse into the world of Japanese girls. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey of discovery, exploring the diverse facets of their lives, dreams, and aspirations.